Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Ilyan, you can call me Ilyancho, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make the best pizza you've ever had, I promise. We're gonna do it right here in my simple kitchen without using any professional equipment. I already have all the ingredients because they are super simple and I'm sure that you have them too. The only thing that you might still lack is what I'm gonna teach you in this video, and that's skills. I love pizza, and if you love pizza, we can be friends, so stick around till the end. After culinary school, I moved to Italy and traveled all across the country, testing and trying hundreds of different recipes. I worked in different restaurants, and after years of experience, I'm here to share with you my secrets and my best tips for the best pizza that you can make at home. The most important part, and the part that we're gonna cover in this video today, is making the pizza dough. After only a few easy steps, I'm gonna share a few techniques and tips, and you will be able to toss that pizza pie up in the air as high as the ceiling, spin it around, and shape it into a perfectly round pizza pie. The ingredients are 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of warm water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dry instant yeast, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of sea salt. Baker's yeast is a single-cell living organism. All it needs to thrive is warmth, moisture, and food in the form of carbohydrates. You can find it in a couple of different forms. You can find fresh baker's yeast at some specialty grocery stores or some supermarkets, and if you buy it, you can keep it in the freezer for months without it affecting its quality. The dry instant yeast that you find in little packages on the shelves is the same product, but it's been dehydrated, and taking all of the moisture out puts the yeast cells to sleep. It can stay on the shelf for months, even years, without affecting its quality, and as soon as we incorporate warm water and flour, it wakes right up. That starts the fermentation process. In the fermentation process, we have 2 products. The first one is alcohol, which gives the slightly sour, yeasty and bready flavor, especially after 24-hour or more fermentation. The other product is carbon dioxide. That's the gas that creates these big, beautiful bubbles in our pizza crust. You can definitely use a stand mixer for this, but making a big mess in your kitchen is so much more fun. After mixing the dough, we're not there yet. We have the next very important step number 2, which is kneading the dough. Right now everything is incorporated and we have this pizza dough, which looks like it could be ready, but it's not. If I take a piece of it and try to stretch it, it's breaking apart. It's not elastic. We need to create a gluten structure in it to hold it together. Gluten is a protein that is in the wheat flour. When it's combined with water and a little bit of mixing, it creates a structure that holds the whole pizza dough together. It's almost like a skeleton. Everybody has a different way of kneading the dough. You can use one hand, you can use both hands. The point is to keep working it until it becomes smoother and smoother. There's also another way to create a gluten structure, and it's by simply throwing the dough in the air and dropping it. There are recipes that call for dropping your dough 100 times, and that really helps the gluten. It's your choice. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And after 10 minutes of kneading the dough, the whole structure has changed. See how velvety and smooth it looks? It feels great. And if we take a little ball and try to stretch it, it's not breaking apart anymore. We have this beautiful structure that gives it elasticity, and it's strong and perfect for pizza. If you're still wondering what a gluten structure is, take a piece of dough and run it under tap water. The water will start slowly washing away all of the starch, and you'll see the structure of the gluten cage. And if you like my videos, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much in advance. Simply separate the dough in 4 equal parts. And feel free to use a scale. It will give you 9-ounce pieces. And start folding the dough inwards. That will give you a perfectly smooth round ball. So it's been 24 hours and we're ready to pull our pizza dough out of the fridge and start shaping our pizza crust. And here it is. It has definitely risen. Removing the blood. It smells good. As you can see, just gently spinning around this pie gets stretched from the weight of the dough itself. You never want to touch the middle part of the dough, as it's very, very easy to poke a hole there. Now we're gonna start spinning our dough, and you never want your fingertips to touch it, as they'll poke a hole through it. You only want to have your knuckles, and you're gonna hold your hands just like this, placing the dough on top, and start stretching it and spinning it as you move. At this point, you can start tossing it anywhere you want. You can go up, you can go that way, and it's getting bigger and bigger. that you've covered your whole kitchen in flour, you can start thinking about your favorite toppings. If you want to learn about my favorite toppings and how to properly bake a pizza even at home, watch my next video. Today we covered everything you need to know about the basics of pizza dough. Remember, baker's yeast is a living organism. So is pizza dough, for me at least. Give it love and attention and it will give you love back in the form of delicious flavor. Factors like humidity, altitude, temperature, and proofing time will give you a slightly different result, but play around and have fun. I for sure had a lot of fun making this video today, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun eating the pizza. My name is Ilyan, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.